Wetin be Eru again? Load, right?
Na load. Say you carry load for back.
Overload. That are the song of Olamide. New song supposed fall out from Olamide. I think on the 14th. Then full album they come for June. May 14. Now 14. I think 14 something like that. With the wait for that Jean, we see the anticipate on now. Now see Naija FM 102.7. Now you position put live and direct. Check your time right now. 1 minute just escape. Leave 11 a.m. on top today, the 11th day of May 2021. Okay. Tuesday edition of Across the Bridge between Money Run's crew or Money Run host and workshop host them. Godwin, welcome. I don't already see the stress for Godwin face based on the traffic where in day road right now. I know say Lady J traffic now affect because Lady J don't dey office since morning. But okay, no, may I first start from Godwin first. Godwin, where did they cause traffic?
Well, you know, say for Maryland, they adjust they do work for the road. In fact, anytime when they drive, they go past Ogudu, we can't link Maryland Bridge.
Wow.
If they drive towards Ogudu, they see vehicles where they come from Ikorodu. 12, they go towards Maryland. If you see the traffic,
it's not funny.
Everywhere blocked. You understand? Because the road don't narrow, so they even divert the entire one way. Okay. You understand from that Maryland side.
How long that adjustment they go for? They
just started last week.
Oh, that means if people reach a month, you will see taste more.
It go past like that too.
Wow.
You understand? So now that one could be like that mini waiting happen for Maryland Bridge that long.
Oh. Okay.
So now even me we did that Maryland to come outside.
Now
the two exits they always block because vehicles they find alternative. I don't want to go to. So they go to that thing twice. When I go drop the children for school in the morning, at the first part of the traffic, yes, I go first day there like how many minutes, try to go turn. When I don't drop them and come back,
come back.
So I won't come work again. So as they come out to this time, I did there.
You just know you use one stone, the key two bed. As you just drop them, you just see come up. So you come like say the waste.
If I too early now, you know they ask us. You come quick, what's in the happen? You know, for office. You know, for office people they ask questions. People they ask some kind of question for office.
Yeah, when they are knowing sometimes. So
they're gonna like, you quick come today. Exactly. What did they do here by this time? Why you quick come? All those kind of things.
And assuming it's our office get somewhere, maybe say okay. If you come on time, we just chill.
Yeah.
I see why Lady J they always hide for upstairs. You know what Lady J do? Now because of us when you call in the morning, say time when Lady J come, we don't know say Lady J there. You go why chucky for up there. And now I see the reason though.
And so and you know how the traffic they be when you do for traffic, so many things. People they cross road or Okada they move.
Even apart from that, especially for this Lagos traffic, they encourage so many criminal activities.
Yes. Yeah. And then even when I reach Ogudu, I can't jam my traffic for that Ogudu road before you enter the Third Mainland Bridge. The traffic go there somehow again, and then one keke even jam me. For back. He jam me for back. The road too tight. I don't even feel come down look the guy. Now from mirror, I can't look inside the mirror. I can't see the guy. They beg me from the mirror.
Yeah,
sorry, I just like which I won't come down, can't check.
Me don't collect tire now.
It gonna be small scratch, but all the same. You know, so the thing they make person mentally they drain me.
They drain.
I hate to
make the same majority of sorry to say majority of mad people in Lagos are full because traffic. They see nobody they experience the kind of traffic when they're for Lagos. When you reach out, they all right. Your body will really pepper you unnecessarily
because you don't do one place for hours.
As in very annoying.
It just be like a road trip. It ain't bad enough so you don't spend 10 hours, 18 hours. For road, at least you understand. Say you dey move. You dey go another location. Then you dey inside state. Now your house you dey go. But na road.
I know say na the betterment of the Lagos when I made they do all this road, but I don't know if what they fit do to
it. At the end of the day, if it go continue like that, because if the government really want to fix most of the roads with the Lagos, different parts of Lagos could experience this kind of thing. But at the end of the day, if they look the good thing at the end, say okay after some months,
everywhere.
I made them do one boy. You understand? Now Lagos be what thing will they go through for Lagos? Now what people they go through half before they don't go see shrink.
Yes, now.
For psychology, say you need to see a shrink, man, mentally.
Mentally,
because so he go tell you how strong we dey mentally, physically and everything. So when somebody enter office, before you say the front face, really
you need to check where they come from.
The smile don't finish for road.
I remember once Saturday I go make my hair. That the rain come fall. So of course trust all these our transport apps. Once rain don't they fall like
they go increase them.
Surge it don't surge go up. So I wait for some time. Now when the rain come cool down, I can't check again. Okay, one of them the money don't come down. And so I enter. We can't reach one point like this. na standstill. And you know, once you enter inside standstill, the money they count, they go.
Yeah.
And already, so you understand, start the day already. I don't reach my house till like past midnight.
How much?
You can't pay last
10K.
No, before.
10K still okay.
I vex.
That day where they carry my friends from Ikeja come Aja for 10,000, I mean 15,000.
Farabi birthday. Yes, I remember that time.
That one vex.
I know just jump boss.
Now that one vex.
Anything will make me enter all those hailing cab and I say heavy traffic that day.
You go come down.
I'll just end the trip. I'll just either I try go front, enter normal transport because sometimes
except that just time in those days, you know, I've been get some way they work for me, and then they enter some in those days. If you dey traffic, now the driver they complain because you know they read.
No, now opposite.
As
now.
fast as when they move.
Now when they just start,
that time, if you dey traffic, let's assume say if you dey move, if every 5 minutes you think they read maybe like 100 naira for instance.
Yeah.
If you dey traffic,
you go there
for that same 5 minutes, go read like 5 naira instead of 10 naira. So I remember the few times when I entered those, they complain to me, say, I don't want this traffic. I know. So if you can't request for somewhere, say they say this area traffic too much, then they go. I'll say, well, I say, but maybe if that traffic there, you go say no. Say the app they read according to movement.
Okay.
So if you dey static, you dey hardly read. The app sense no dey sense say you dey road if you dey move. So now when you dey move, you dey count money. So if dem dey traffic, but I trust they don't change the app. Now I make the.
I even believe say this Lagos traffic self now they make domestic violence they plenty sometimes because when the husband don't vex reach house, you know, and the wife going to talk say Adali, you don't even remember today na my birthday. You go first look
you want to remember your birthday.
With all the traffic where I face.
Look at this way you talk now. I just give you a perfect example. I reached house yesterday. Now I just see 2 different papers on top of my bed. I see my children in school this year. And I'm like, I don't pay school fees. I don't pay waiting be this one. Now I carry and read. I don't really understand. I don't just understand.
Because
I don't look the paper, but something there they want. Now you just shout. Big girl, who put this on my bed? Because actually they want to do all these extracurricular activities,
extra money.
Karate, taekwondo, coding. Each one getting price. This one some na 15K, some na 10K, some na 12.5.
God will not they talk this.
Wait now I go they look. I can't say I don't understand. But now my daughter say so. I want to do coding. I want to do this. I said only you 3. I said you dey see the price 115, 112.5, 110.
But you don't reach 50.
Now I say me going, but I ain't bother come say hey. I wanted to tell you. I want to do there's basketball. I say hey. Now your last term, you they go secondary school, you know, go to school again. So not even start anything here. I said leave this room.
They hot.
I said when you enter secondary school, we go decide where you go start for that new school. Are you Abigail? Pick one. She just looks. I want to do this. Tina will never agree.
Never agree. You agree.
So imagine me with all the stress of because I say Maryland traffic, I they face the same thing when
if
I
they go
house.
back. Wow.
So imagine the stress at the enter house. First one on top bed now. Bill.
Tell me why you not go shut up and down. Anyway, more only traffic matter.
Especially as the day before. They don't already be you finish.
You
back us.
I don't know if you don't come across what you know or mockery actually tweet. Yes, all of us know say Reno now noise maker. They always talk. Most time they talk they enter. Sometimes they talk with just the offside. You know they enter at all. He say except she was raped or widowed. I have zero sympathy for single mothers. The black world faces a baby mama epidemic. We must not encourage it or make celebrity out of bleach surgically enhanced Jezebel who are unashamed of their whoredom, like prostitute arrangement you get. So I don't read a lot of comments. Now I just say, okay, maybe I go ask you now what I take on top and not knowing fully well right now. All of us don't say most of the things when they happen current right now when consign giving birth out of wedlock or being single mother, not be waiting they really happen before. If like say now we don't welcome her because now waiting like Momo say now one of those things won't copy for Obodo Yibo. You get me, you see young girl now with 5 children from different papa, 4 children from different papa, or in name of single mother you get. So somehow you believe say now something we supposed to be proud of or now something we supposed to be worried about. Nothing say papa present for Pikin life get major or may I say papa get major role to play for Pikin life.
And also nothing say abortion they illegal for Nigeria.
When in those one thing we know, I not agree with you talk. One thing we need to understand is say the world don't change. And not be just say the world don't change because people want bad. we not get choice. The world they change, everybody they change with them. For instance, in those days where you go say, if girl get belle, you go they hide them. The family go, even if the girl won't keep her, they go send them come up for Lagos, go and
go hide, go
make them know all those things. That one in those days. These days things don't change because those days now the papa majorly now they take care of the entire house. Mama feel no even they work just to do homemaker. These days everybody need to work because economy bad, everything bad. So and in the same way, we don't see so many young people. I'll give you an instance. Yesterday they ask people say why cheating food you put full town.
Yeah.
And somebody called us say because the young guys then where they there not even never find their food to feed the girl, take care of her marriage.
So the
girls go look for the guys them where
don't find their food.
They don't find their food. It not really be like that in those days when things they better. So these days now, so a lot of ladies get work, get money, they no see man. So you go expect lady we don't day of age where if you born picky make it no
get. Just day like that.
The park say girl born picky out of wedlock. No mean say na prostitute or now.
No, certainly not.
If it be just agreement, if it meet a single guy we say, look, I don't want marry, but I want like to get picky, or like to get picky.
I don't get that lane before,
and that's all. So you know, the first way go come your mind, no be to call them be prostitute or call them. No, mature people deal with the to say, look, I want to get picking, but the fact that he be part of the life, but I no go marry. And then if you want get picking, okay, we'll go. If you want to go the religious line, say it's wrong and all that. A lot of other things they way everybody they do where they wrong. Now the point we say, if you do leave the person and in God. Not just put a blanket condemnation on everybody say any girl we do baby mama whatever and a bad person. We know those way we say they do them because they won't hold guys. We know those way they do them in the wrong way. But you also get those way we say at their age. You're not gonna expect girl we don't need 40.
Not the favor then get
no, but no husband, nothing.
Not to just
especially now when we get so many guys who don't get liver to ask lady out, then you go say so imagine now, this kind of person go tweet. If you see lady now, we go tell guys say come and marry me.
You go say talk, say yeah.
Exactly. There now where hypocrisy they always come in play. These same people, if they OJ now would they marry? Say he never born.
Exactly.
He never born.
You know that kind of thing.
Now this person go decides okay, may I see get families? They take care of this pikin. Now you they complain say single mother.
And then it takes a lot of responsibility to get belle, keep am.
Keep am too, yeah.
Come born the pikin, come they take care of the pikin because really. Even though abortion dey illegal, we know how people they hide go do abortion.
Yeah.
So the fact say she get the belle and want it, she fit do it intentionally. Now her beliefs. Okay, then just like some Christians go tell you say in Christianity you know if you get more than one wife. In Islam, people they allowed to marry 4 wives. At the end of the day, somebody get the belle, keep am, born pikin, they take care of the pikin. You know push her out for the street. You they shame am say because saying born pikin out of wedlock. What if now wetin you want? What if you know
like
marry?
DJ won't talk.
Not be just abortion alone. Some they abandon. They go born the pikin finish, go trade the pikin. Abandon the pikin somewhere. So when you see lady we get belle, keep the belle, born the pikin, take care of the pikin. See, and a very very big
achievement,
courage
to do.
Courage to do. Cause me I tell you, in no day easy. Now you get one time when they send one story like that. Say this lady, she decide to go do this IVF. Insemination.
Spend donation, right?
She know that she never married. She
that they do. They all go donate spend.
The board of elder church call am, summon am for meeting. For her to explain how she take get belle, knowing that she is single. She no get
with board of elders.
Because she be
those churches still do that.
She be church worker.
Yes.
Okay. She be very committed. Like somebody like me now, if I get belle out of wedlock. Then go summon me because one I be worker. Even you go ask me question. How you go say how? You understand?
No, you don't go.
Why I want ask you because
we go say Lady J don't
never do since then. So you go agree say Lady J finally you don't take.
Now the same thing. Now the same thing they talk about. So she can't say she not sleep with anybody. She go do IVF and she even can carry the documents, give them. Say nobody they approach her. She dey of age and she no want get to the point of say she no go fit born pikin. So rather than say she go. They like that. Now she decide to go do IVF.
What did the church do?
So the debate will come out now say na sin. Wetin she do na sin. That na the debate.
A very complicated thing for Christianity. But personally, me, I don't see anything wrong in that one.
Because at least she not touch anybody. No, you go decide to.
Okay, I think I had another part to that one. Imagine those where they donate sperm. You get somebody who said just can't donate sperm. Someone like me that we get 3 children.
But they never already pay now.
Someone like me where I get 3 children, why don't retire now? You know, people like us now we still get enough.
Enough plenty for.
Now if the customer I can't donate now somebody go to say as a Christian.
Me not donate.
You know suppose if you want to donate you go need to
I go pay tithe give her.
You go need to. You understand? If you want to donate now, if you go there, they go give you room. Only you go there. You go need to bring out the.
Yeah, they give you some materials.
Exactly. Now, how you want to explain to your pastor say you go donate spam? How you take bring her out? They go tell you. You understand? There's so many complicated things there.
I want just even add to wait see this guy don't talk, but I feel say even put those the people where we say because of domestic violence make them become single mothers.
Exactly.
Because if you even check them well, he consider those set of people.
Yes, people they
talk say okay because somebody wey don dey go through domestic violence the husband dey beat am
because he no wan
become wetin Reno Mokiri dey talk about. So that
also now I don dey try find reason why he talk these things since then. Because one of the reasons why black people they always go jail for Bodo Ibo na lack of fatherly presence for their life. Now why most time when you see so Ibo want go divorce, they go sign paper say the father and mom go get custody of that baby, so that made the presence of the father they made the presence of the mother they unlike the black community where the Oyokari born up and down. You see one is they get 15 baby mama. But at the end of the, you see guy you want to do as a man when your presence go they fed by those different children when you born you get now God whether you like or not. Nothing sweet past family setting. Say you dey present for your pikin life, your wife dey present for the pikin life because it dey help matter. You see that young age when that pikin dey so, it dey learn a lot of things based on your present when you get for your life and based on present when your wife get for your life. So when you not did the equation and as a single mother, this young guy so feel. I will say the pikin quick spoil because papa not did here to actually guide them. You got think I they try one streamline waiting they try talk. Maybe not that one they worried about. Maybe not that one appropriate and they talk this
I don't get father and motherly love. If they want spoil, they go still
exactly.
But the percentage might be low.
Talk. I don't talk. You get parental this thing, but you still spoil. So
yes, you get advantage. The parental thing get advantage. But I also know people who grow up without their papa, we turn up to be
very good people.
See, sometimes any way this Reno tweet sometimes some they make sense, some they make sense. Some in the overdo. I'll give you an instance. One time in tweet something about if somebody they ask for your help. Okay, I think the general context of the tweet may have a favor in the year people where they beg, we always ask for help all the time. And as I say, if you get me ask the person why no go work, something like that. Now I can't tweet give and say when Jesus feed the 5,000 people, they don't get work. Now I only just say these people they hungry, more feed them. Abi at that point, not to say when I go work and everything. The point I can't tweet say you say you be pastor. At where the part of compassion come in. Because if you want to justify why you go need to give every beggar
or not,
whether the beggar 2 hand or 2 leg complete, say the person if you did they beg you don't know whether not for that particular point he just they beg you first. Maybe what you want give anyone you do something. So if everybody want to rationalize why you suppose they are qualified to receive or not. Nobody go give. The moment and I know I'm the guy that be attack people with that my tweet today for where
reply.
Quiet now. I just saying don't think.
The best way to catch people when they form say that too know now to use Bible hook them for neck too.
Yes, now because the example all of us they follow Jesus Christ and Jesus Christ he didn't condemn those people.
I don't do that thing before. Your friend. Where they the other station where they attack everybody up and down.
Okay.
When in they open him mouth, they curse men of God. Personally, if you talk written they wrong, I go ask you a question. And if you did right, I no go talk anything. So when people make it not be like say okay, anything where man of God talk, I support. May we talk true. Now I can tell them say see the same New Testament where you they stand put all your bases on top. It talks say if anybody desire the office of a bishop, in gas be husband of one wife. In gas stay away from alcohol. I the Bible. If you desire the office of a bishop, now good thing. But this not the requirement. You guys be husband of one wife. The woman where they with you marry him. Answer.
But you don't
No.
marry before now.
She
did with him. Then they together.
But at least there was marriage.
Leave that thing.
So now when you answer that woman do that.
You know the
You know if you answer me. Now tell them say, and also the second requirement I say, you no go take alcohol or any strong drink.
But why? They do
But
Holy
you dey
Communion with
post
wine
anytime
now.
you dey
Okay,
put your
alcohol not
food,
dey
you
that
dey
one.
post
No,
your
no,
alcohol for there. Till
So-
today, you know if it answer me because now the truth.
If it not necessarily be true, if it not just be say no one reply you.
You
see, the alcohol no be sin.
Yeah.
The having more than one wife, I don't really say I sin.
It not be sin.
But now, if you know say you want to occupy this position, as a bishop, then you must get one wife. Because why? Paul go down there explain say because if you get more than one wife. All those family wahala and everything, no go make you concentrate on ministry.
Just to declare, the question I want to ask you not make sense. Bishop and pastor are the same thing. It's different now.
No,
the
evangelist is different. So you know I become preacher, you know evangelist.
Anyone, no, see, any of those positions. You get different ones. You get pastors, you get teachers, you get evangelists, you get prophets, you get any of those positions. Now leadership positions. The qualification is say if you must marry one wife and then stay away from alcohol and all those things. You understand? But no be say alcohol now sin, now drunkenness be the sin.
Okay, more leave that one. More arising issue in Nigeria right now. You hear the news of Aso Rock.
I hear now. I hear. You know why the matter they make me laugh because sometimes they go just look for things they want to distract us.
But this cannot be distraction because
I tell you why
come outside, not be from president.
I want to tell you why not distraction. The time why I see they present sports, why I be sports reporter, why I see they for soccer star, they write for the song. I go Abuja, go cover Super Eagles match.
To enter the Nawala.
You know, say that road will lead to the Abuja Stadium by the right hand side, and that road lead to Aso Rock. I can't just the entrance of the road, very far road. Where we say if the road there, Aso Rock fit dey like phase 1. I just did them and take camera because I go see do my TV show. I go to do my TV report and all that. So I dey take shot of the welcome to Abuja, the stadium from a distance, the big bowl and everything.
Next thing I go.
2 military van just come, block me. They first carry me, collect on my camera, my tripod. I don't put my tripod stand like this. I always do studio now. They collect everything, carry me go one military. I don't even know say the thing they there like flower trees.
But something they
military they there. I know they carry me go there first. Come say, man, identify myself. Now I read my ID card. I be journalist. Want you. Okay, what they do? I can't cover Super Eagles match. I go do report, TV report. But normally with the report, I need the Abuja and all those. When I check my ID card, see everything. They can't say, okay, fine. Okay, that place to enter that road, if you no get clearance, you know if you enter. Say I violate something, but since I don't know and I come from Lagos, next time I know do they can't check my video to show say no be the Aso Rock road at the video
to know
because
the
that road they say
plan.
Important people house 9 day there will lead to Aso Rock. Now along that road, this man house day.
So we did your few points now you feel say.
So now they tell you say there are 2 reasons. Now 2 things will happen. One is either
inside job
this incompetence what would they see for this government
now it happen to that road
or
the inside job
so they know they competent like the government of that time who be president for 2010 just before Yar'Adua died. It's either the security forces no dey as organized as the Yar'Adua Jonathan own that time wey catch me or na inside job they just wan distract us.
And even the dog say police dey search for the burglar na only one o because it's na burglars. Now,
only one go pack all those kind of property when they say the property.
They don't pack anything.
No, according to people gazette.
Burglar, not burglars.
Suspected burglar.
Suspected burglar. They say
they don't show na one person.
They say police, so they don't search. Now even Gabashe will let us know about it. The police don't search for the burglar we attempt to break into that house for Aso Villa. In fact, they tweet him. He said the police in a related development is searching for a suspected burglar. Who unsuccessfully attempted to break into the house of Mekano Abdullahi on Thursday last week. Mekano lives on the same street with the chief of staff close to the villa.
See, this is going to tell you why insecurity food the whole country. Because he show you say the people at the top. They know they organize. I'll give you one instance. So that time when I come do my whatever finish, I get one more day to stay Abuja before I come Lagos. I can't go meet one of my friends for university in those days. And like my pastor for school, Pastor Amos. In fact, the man I'm a member of the House of Rep now. At my house, I stay, I no stay hotel. So I can't give him the gist. How soldiers say, carry me, going to laugh. Saying girlfriend when the papa day part of the security forces for that. I say, go carry me, go do tour of Aso Rock tomorrow. The next thing I say, must carry me drive. Go that same road. We drive, enter the road. You see how they watch you. When he say go pass here. Say you get where all these places they pass now. They watch him. But they don't do anything because in they drive. So you get when he go reach, if he pass, security go come outside. We just they watch. True to what he must talk. As we tell this one place, tell me say okay. Man, they watch you. From nowhere, be like ghost. 2 vans just come from different side, block us, come down. They just go meet. They say, man, no talking. The guy just come meet that they can't speak. I was like, oh, the guy comes, how now? You're Amos's friend, right? Okay. Amos know where he no go. Where this in the excursion supposed to reach, but when they go. You never see the vans then disappear. We continue to they go. When would they go? Amos tells him, man, watch you. Heavy pillars will come outside from ground.
Yeah, to
block. Then in the end, we just know that pillars the ground just open pillars just come outside. Wow. And security people come again. They say that Amos, he smile, they know and come out. So I'm not even surprised in the House of Rep now because get connection. The point be say, the way where that place be, one person no fit go climb fence.
Now they try imagine so.
Now inside job.
Inside job.
It's possible.
Inside that. Or they don't date to disorganized person if he's true this year.
No, I'm not sure they did that. No, they can never be that disorganized. It's not girl Nigeria go get problem reach. Aso Rock will they disorganized.
Not be inside Aso Rock. No. The security force of first lady. They shoot bullets. Since everybody don't did Aso Rock from Babangida to today, you don't hear say bullets go off.
Maybe they not report them.
Nah lie. Now the first time we hear say bullets go off for Aso Rock.
When I talk this morning, nah. We feel clearly talk. Say waiting first lady talk. Say Aso Rock is no longer safe. Now true really.
That'll be 2 points. Only this government. Now we don't hear first gunshot for Aso Rock. Now this same government we hear of burglar. Now this same government we hear say
rat for sure.
Daughter of the cousin of president. Get mind, carry camera, record first lady when she dey rake. You know if you try that one when Obasanjo be president or anybody that you know the point be say
so a lot they happen
for that place. That's why Nigeria did the way it is.
I really hope say they go catch this burglar or burglars. Hopefully more really know who be them, who them be.
CCTV.
No, they get time. They get an show. Even Abuja street self road get CCTV talk of that area. You get they go catch the person last time. Maybe they don't send her. Maybe now somebody just the only way I dey fear hope they never carry any national document of interest. When we see the author say the document when be the money when it's supposed to refund or when they don't refund now they can't carry.
What's the national document they do for the House of Chief of Staff?
It's possible now.
No, you're not supposed to be in house.
Where's supposed?
It's supposed to be for
Aso
Rock.
Not be the Aso Rock. They say rats the chop document. Maybe that's because they chop document.
Maybe they don't fit send the rats come
out. But this country na cruise.
I tell you how. I give example of how people they think for bro. And they watch one. You know, say most times these Americans the way they act film, they act what thing they happen really for real life. And they watch American film, so. I think the chief of staff that day no go with a secret service or anybody. Just decide if you want to go see somebody codedly. You can't go miss the road, can't pass red light. Police can't blow siren they pursue one. And he can't just park. The guy can't come down because the policeman is a black guy. So may put hand for steering, put his hand. This one a chief of staff to the president of the US. Put his hand and everything. Eventually, she may come down. He come down. The guy drove and I say, you don't know who I be. You understand? The guy can say, "Can't check no ID card." He can't say, "Why?" You can't say, "Okay, I'm the chief of staff to the president." The guy can't laugh.
Say, he not believe
you like this. Say, you know even finish. Can't say, "Okay." They can't take a fingerprint. Say they go check. They must know who him be. Then put the fingerprint for system. The guy know they exist because for that kind of position when they hold, you must not be able to locate him. If you put the fingerprint, if he go get classified information, so that guy. Like they don't see the guy anywhere.
That's
they said,
how,
you be ghost or one thing. Till they come carry police station, and the oga come see and say, when I go Aso Rock, White House. When I go White House the last time,
you see you.
Until the oga begin the beg, please, I'm sorry. And now it's okay. I need their names. You. He begin the beg. Say no, they have to leave the force. This. You understand? Now going to think and say, ordinary chief of staff, they not even fit see information.
Yeah.
This one they break enter in ass.
Maybe they go. I bet everything they on top of chop this morning.
Well, now Tuesday, because we get Naija regional.
Yeah.
We get guests on top. Ask the professional. A lot of children go they come up from secondary school. So our guests go they talk about how parents fit guide their children in how to select a career.
Nice.
That one they very, very, very important.
Yeah.
Kentucky they on ground for in top 20 countdown. So now today go be. I think we even get guests.
Yeah, we get guests where they call me Big Max, and we get a new jam where you do with Zlatan. We go do that one. Plus, of course, now Tuesday since Davido celebrate 10 years anniversary for the industry, we go play like 2 or 3 Davido songs. Give people opportunity to tell us which one is Davido favorite song. And then their favorite Davido moment for the
and also today now Bob Marley's remembrance.
Oh yeah, the reggae god.
Yeah.
One heart.
Okay. Wait, before we go, waiting you talk so you won't become when you they grow. When you they grow rather. You know, say like children say, I want to be a lawyer. I want to.
As scientists, I be say I want become, but to get where with science reach now we move go.
Well, on a light note, as we go, the one where you ask, remind me of something. Papa calling children together and say, okay, what do you want to be when you grow up? Children say, I want to be this one, I want to be that, I want to be like an elephant. Say, good, I want to be like a lion, good. They go ask the last one, say, what do you want to be when you grow up? He said, Daddy, when I grow up, I want to be like a monkey. And Papa said, no, change it, monkey is not good. And for Hausa, the meaning of pig, na alede. So when he continued, I say, okay, Daddy, when I grow up, I want to be like a lady. Say, hey, go back to the monkey. The monkey. Go back to the monkey.
I know say some young children now from where I come from. Now, most of them, if you ask them, what they want to be now, like Bobizwa. What do you
want to be when they grow up, Becca?
Now two things I want to become. I want to become lawyer.
I be one become.
Lawyer. And only lawyer. Lawyer. Then I think I say I want to become a teacher or something. Yeah.
Okay. Lady J, you want to be?
Yeah.
From time I don't want to be. I want to be singer.
No, gospel singer. Okay. Now because the singer not work, you come because gospel singer.
What you say? No work. You work where?
As a singer.
Yes.
What you can make you add gospel for the front?
Not now. Waiting. I want to be right from time.
No, now I make I talk now. You say no. You say you want to become singer. Singer is different from gospel singer.
Once you are a singer, once a singer, always a singer.
Okay. Wait, be your own.
No, I be one. I be get two options. No, accountant.
This is your mozo.
I be one be accountant or footballer. You understand?
People like without the
now when both of them no enter, now I can't try. I mean, Nigeria reject me, and I'm glad they rejected me because for this ambition now.
I'm gonna join us tomorrow. One love, I beg.
Naija FM 102.7.